When local disasters strike, people start to rethink their options on property insurance. We're talking about things like tornadoes the recent tornado in Gaylord, the massive flooding last year that washed out Detroit properties. When those events come out of nowhere, so does the need to file a claim. Bobby Levin is here with us now to talk about the importance of being represented by a public adjuster. Bobby is the chairman and president of Globe Midwest Adjusters. Good morning, Bobby.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm wonderful, thank you. So I'm excited to learn what a public adjuster is and why do people need one?
Well, you're right. When a claim happens, the amount of insurance that you have, if you have not checked with your agent, is limited to what exists. In a significant claim, it's very important to properly prepare your claim, which is what the insurance company is requiring of you. Like you saw in the floods, which is an anniversary of last year, the property in Gaylord, you have two things going on that are very critical. One of them is getting back into your business, whether it's a business or it's a home. It's a catastrophic event, obviously. While you're trying to reestablish your business or your life with your home, your claim has to go on. There's two ways to do that. One is to hire an advocate, which is a public adjuster, to be there on behalf of you, to assist you in preparing the claim, submitting it to the insurance company, and helping you negotiate a settlement. The other is to just allow the insurance company's consultants prepare your claim for you. Our position is to provide an explanation and an interpretation of the policy, interpret your coverage, give you options, because there are options that are available to you, nobody wants to rebuild exactly what they had. A business that had a building that was built in 1980 isn't going to want to restore a building from 1980. They're going to want to obviously have something that's far more current. So there are options available to you in the policy. We help you walk through and guide you so that you, frankly, wind up in as best a position as you can after the claim than you did before.
So many people probably think, well, why do I need an adjustment, insurer? I already have my insurance. I already pay my premiums. What do you say to those people who kind of question the process?
Well, I think the biggest issue with people, and it doesn't matter whether you're a homeowner or you're chairman of a public company, we represent that entire gambit. One thing that they have in common is they really don't know what they're entitled to. They've never read the policy. That insurance policy is probably one of the most important contracts that you'll ever enter into, and yet no one's ever read them, and nobody understands it. So the reason is like I said before, you need an advocate. We're a niche business, which is why a lot of people haven't heard about a public adjuster. It's a specialty. It's no different if you have a medical problem. You go to a specialist for what your situation is. In this case, you went to an agent. He got you an insurance policy, and that's pretty much where it ends from an agency standpoint. When something happens, they then turn it over to the insurance company's adjuster, who brings in all of his consultants. So you should have an advocate that's there on your behalf because you do have insurance.
Well, Bobby, thank you so much for being here with us this morning. Real quick, where can people go to learn more?
Thank you.
Okay, that's Globe Midwest Adjusters. So thank you so much, Bobby. And we'll be right back.